Anytime you do a procedure, there are risks and potential side effects. With beard extraction, the biggest side effects that I see are some patients do develop some persistent redness in the neck. It's part of the healing phase. I generally find that those with a lighter complexion have a higher chance for having redness in the neck, and that can last a couple weeks, sometimes even longer than that, but obviously not permanently. The next issue is occasionally there can be some ingrown hairs kind of scattered throughout where we extract the hair. Some more than others. Most people have no ingrown hairs, but what will happen is that there can be some small bumps that form, and it's something where these ingrown hairs need to be expressed. And oftentimes that means coming back into the office for us to take care of them. But again, without long-term implications. To see if this is for you, give us a call.